Good morning, friends. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today is 8th of September. And before we start the day, before the market opens, I'll be revealing you what could happen for today and what could be your strategies. If you are new for our YouTube video, just go and click on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon so that you will get all the new notification whenever I come online and I upload any new video. Guys, as I said yesterday, um, that yesterday evening was actually anyway holiday for the US market, so there's no specific clue in the US market. But if you look at the future, they have moved up a bit, which is actually quite good. And the European markets have actually closed quite positively, around 2% actually up. Whether it is DAX, FTSE, CAC, whatever you talk about, all of them were almost around 2% up. So European markets have gone higher, and that could actually be a positive factor, and probably we could have a gap up opening which could happen. And if we can sustain this gap, very likelihood, as I was talking to you about, we may move towards 11,450 to 500. There is a gap which is there in around 11,450 to 500, and we should very likely fill that gap. And once we are able to fill that gap, that is where we need to be a little more careful. Overall, actually, market looks still in the range bound, and though US market today will actually open up, it could open up positively. Will it be able to hold on to that position, or will it actually give us a sell off again, is something which you have to see. But overall, actually, looks like market is going to be in a range. Whether it is in the US market or in the Indian market, as of now it looks like it has to be in a range. But US market is the one which has been showing the strength, and if it continues to the show the strength, then probably it can pass on that strength back to the other countries. Let's see how things are going to work. Overall, though US market may start moving higher, Indian market may still be in the range bound position as of now. That's what actually the options are suggesting, at least for this week. Let's see how things are going to go for the next week or the coming days. But overall, for this month, the option chain is actually suggesting that market may be actually in a range to negative, as I can see at this point of time. So the strategy is, you need to buy on dips as always, and probably wait for the right levels to arrive, and you can actually make a killing out of it. Overall, today the support looks to be around 11,350 levels, which is actually our 20 DMA, and as long as that is going to hold, we should move towards 11,450 to 500. 11,450 will be our first resistance, and 11,500 could be our next resistance. 11,550 is a place from where actually market is taking too much of a resistance. Above that, it is actually facing a lot of challenge to move ahead. So probably it may be facing the similar challenges in the coming days also. So I would suggest you to uh, get out of your positions after 11,500 onwards, especially the long positions. A lot of stocks are actually showing some amount of retracements, so that means probably they would actually correct before actually going further up, because it requires more strength to move further up, because most of the stocks have moved up quite a lot. So there could be some amount of correction which we could expect. Be little more careful on the long positions at this point of time, because I feel the market has been in a highly overbought situation. Valuations are extremely higher at this point of time, so we should probably either be in a range bound or probably a little more on the negative side in the coming days, as I can see. So guys, stay tuned on this channel. like this video and subscribe for this channel, so that whenever I come online with my intraday tips and as well as positional trading ideas, you will come to know, you will be the first one to notify. And share this video with all your friends, guys. If you are not a part of my Telegram channel, go and search for Crazy Money H3 and go and join this. Thank you very much. Have a great and profitable day.